In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a dedicated IP easily. A dedicated IP can be important for a variety of reasons, such as increased online privacy, easier remote access, and improved communication with certain platforms that require whitelisted IP addresses. Now, getting a dedicated IP might sound daunting, but I assure you the process is straightforward. Let's dive in and walk through these simple steps together. First, what you need to do is visit NordVPN's website. This is where you can start your journey towards securing a dedicated IP. NordVPN is renowned for its robust VPN app and services, which include options for dedicated IPs, making it a popular choice among individuals seeking enhanced online security and privacy. Once you've landed on their webpage, focus on the login process. Now click on the login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But if you already have an account, simply enter your credentials to proceed. Remember, having your login details at your fingertips will speed up this process considerably. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account overview section in your Nord account. This is like the control center where you can manage all aspects related to your NordVPN services. Here you'll find a wealth of information about your subscription plans and other useful settings. In this account overview, you'll see an option for dedicated IP. This option is what you're looking for, and clicking on it will direct you to the area where you can begin the process of acquiring your dedicated IP. This step is crucial as it involves choosing and setting up a dedicated IP that suits your specific needs. Subsequently, you need to click on Available Plans. At this point, you're essentially selecting your dedicated IP package. NordVPN offers a range of plans designed to cater to different needs and budgets. This stage is where you can customize the settings to best fit your requirements. Carefully select the plan that best aligns with your expectations regarding speed, privacy, and budget. Be mindful as you review the available options, ensuring that you choose a plan that reflects your specific requirements, whether that's for personal use, business, or any other specific application that necessitates a dedicated IP address. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've navigated the process of acquiring a dedicated IP through NordVPN. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Now you can enjoy a more secure, personalized internet experience. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below if you need further assistance. Happy browsing.